Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexey, and today what we're gonna be doing is taking a look at my audio studio website, which is created by my friend Udi Tsisa of Udi Audio. So my friend Udi Tsisa of Udi Audio created his brand new website, which is called My Audio Studio, and here you can find plugins, music libraries and special discounts to audio products. So let's take a look at the website. So here on the front page of My Audio Studio website, we have a commercial of brand new UGEM library, and intro price is $69. Also on My Audio Studio website, you can buy brand new Cherry Audio Stardust 201 Tape Echo plugin just for $9 instead of $29. And here you can watch review and demo of Cherry Audio Stardust Tape Echo by Udi Tsisa. And also here, as you can see, you can buy East-West music libraries on My Audio Studio website with discounts. So here we have a menu of audio brands, and for instance, if we click on East-West, so here on East-West page of My Audio Studio website, you can find all music libraries of East-West, and you can buy them all with discounts. And also, besides buying music libraries of East-West, you can buy an yearly subscription to Composer Cloud. Now, if we open Shop Antares, so here on Antares page, you can find different versions of Antares Autotune. Now let's open Cherry Audio, and here you can buy brand new Stardust Tape Echo plugin and virtual synths of Cherry Audio with discounts. Now let's open UGEM. So here first of all we can watch some videos on how to use some of UGEM music libraries, and here we can buy different music libraries by UGEM. Also on My Audio Studio website, you can find special discounts and coupons. So for instance, you can buy any Baby Audio plugin with 10% off. Also you can join DistroKid. With 7% off discount. You can join SoundGym with 30% off discount, or you can buy any Waves Audio plugins with 10% off discount. And of course, there are some more discounts and coupons to audio brands products. If you need a help of finding a specific plugin or a specific music library for your music purpose, you can go to Udi Audio menu and click here, Find Me a plugin, and here you can ask Udi any questions on any plugins or on any music libraries you are interested in or you are looking for. And also don't forget to check out Udi Audio YouTube channel, where you can find reviews and demos of plugins and music libraries by Udi Tsisa. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. All the links will be in the info box of this video, and see you next time.